All right, bonjour class. Okay, so what we're going to do today, we're going to do our test just the same way we did last time since I can't be there today. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to review our weather cards, our weather expressions we've been working on all week, and I'll just go through those one time. If you want to play the video again to get some more practice, you can do that, and then I will also go through and do the listening part of our test. So we'll do those two things, and you can repeat the video as many times as you need. If you miss one and you want the substitute to replay it, you can have her replay it, and she'll do that for you, okay? So first one, let's go through and just pronounce our words. Make sure you're reading along with me on the board, right? You know what these words look like. You know what they mean in English, and you could recognize a picture that represents, that shows what the sentence means, okay? So répétez, répétez. Il fait froid. Il neige. Il fait chaud. Il fait beau. Il pleut. Il fait mauvais. Il y a des nuages. Il y a du vent. Il y a du soleil. Il y a des orages. Il gèle. Il y a du brouillard. And we're back to the beginning. So if you want to play that again, to repeat, I know I went a little fast in the beginning. You guys can repeat that again and do some practice. Okay, so on your test, this will be our listening part. It's the first page of your test. Everybody should have one. It's going to be just the way we've done before. I will say one of these sentences, and you just circle the one that I say. So you have to hear me, listen, and understand, and then circle that sentence on your paper, okay? I'll say each one 3 times, okay? Make sure that you know, guys, that on number 1, we just have 2 choices, all right? On number 1, I will either say this sentence or this sentence. Don't circle one down here for your answer for number 1. Number 1 has 2 choices, this one or this one. Only circle 1. You circle 2, I won't know which one you meant to circle, and you won't get the question right, okay? So, show me your fabulous French knowledge, and let's get started. I'll say each one 3 times, okay? So, numéro 1, il fait du vent. Numéro 1, il fait du vent. And one last time, il fait du vent. Numéro 2. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. And last time. Il fait froid. Numéro 3, last listening question. And if you need to play any of these over again, that's just fine, okay? Numéro 3. Circle the sentence that says, il fait mauvais. Numéro 3. Circle the sentence that says, il fait mauvais. And last time for number 3, circle the sentence that says, il fait mauvais. D'accord? All right, class, you guys should be all set to work on the rest of your test. Okay, on the second part, you're reading. You have to read the sentences and circle the one that matches the picture, okay? And on your writing, you get to draw a picture of what your birthday looks like. Remember, we practiced this the other day. We're going to draw a picture of what the weather looks like on your birthday usually, and then use your word bank to write 2 sentences about your weather, d'accord? So for me, my birthday's in January. My picture will look very cold and snowy, and I will write maybe about how it's cold and how it's snowy in French. You have lots of different choices down here in your box, and we have practiced all these, so I know you guys are going to do a great job, okay? Merci beaucoup, and I hope you guys do a wonderful job for your substitute teacher, and you have a bon weekend. D'accord? So, au revoir et bon weekend.